How to fix and solve TikTok app not opening. Hello everyone, welcome in this video. I'm going to show you how to fix and solve this problem. Just pay attention and make sure that you watch this video till the end. So let's start. First, don't open your TikTok, go and open your settings of your phone. After that, open your apps option. Here right now on apps option, you will see all the application that you have right now on your phone. You must search for TikTok. Open TikTok then and scroll down to storage option. Here right now guys on storage option, click on clear cache and then you have to back and click on full stop. Click OK. And right now guys, go directly to your Play Store or App Store. Update your TikTok on the last version. Then as a last step, you have to restart your phone. So that's all guys. Don't forget to like, also subscribe in our channel. See you next.